Are you tired of spending hours trying to design the perfect thumbnail for your YouTube videos? I know I was. You pour your heart into creating amazing content, but then you hit a wall when it comes to the thumbnail. It's gotta be eye-catching, it's gotta be clickable. And honestly, it can be a huge time sink. Well, what if I told you there's an AI tool that can do it all for you automatically? That's right. Today, I'm diving deep into a game-changing tool that's completely transformed my workflow. This isn't just about templates. This AI actually analyzes your video content, identifies the most compelling moments, and generates multiple stunning thumbnail options for you to choose from. It understands faces, action shots, and even text from your video to create designs that are proven to get more clicks. Let's walk through how it works. You just upload your finished video, or even just link to it, and the AI gets to work. Within minutes, you'll have a whole gallery of high-quality, professional-looking thumbnails. It can pull the best frames, suggest catchy text overlays based on your title or transcript, and even apply color grading that matches your channel's branding. You can still tweak things, of course. Want a different font? Go for it. Want to adjust the brightness? Easy. But the heavy lifting, the part that used to take me forever, is done in seconds. I've been testing this out for a few weeks now, and the results are pretty amazing. My click-through rate has actually gone up on the videos where I used the AI-generated thumbnails. It's like having a professional graphic designer on your team, but one that works 24/7 and costs way less. For any creator out there, whether you're just starting or you have millions of subscribers, this tool is a massive time saver. Think about all the extra time you could spend creating more content, engaging with your community, or just relaxing. The best part is that it helps you stay consistent with your branding, making your channel look more polished and professional overall. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to thumbnail stress and hello to more views, you have to check this out. I've dropped the link in the description below so you can try it for yourself. Seriously, it might just be the best productivity hack you discovered this year. Give it a shot and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to level up your content creation game. See you in the next one.